not in India. So I was missing the spirit and the fun. And now I'm so thankful that I'm here to meet all of you for the success of Vishwanath and Sons. And who's responsible for the success? It's all your love. So thank you, all of you, and a big round of applause for yourselves for making this happen for us and our entire team. So thank you so much. It's been a pleasure working. I have always gotten love from the south of my country, and I continue receiving so. It's because of y'all that we exist, and like he said, food on the table. Venki is the sweetest, most unassuming director I've met in my life. Initially, when I met him, I was not even sure if he's the director. I used to be like, he's like, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. I was like, are you sure you're the director? You have to be the captain of the ship. You have to be the boss. But he removes work not by showing who he is, demanding. He does it with love. And that is what makes Vishwanath and Sons such a loving, warm, beautiful movie, like with emotions, with sentiments, because you can see who's the hand behind it. Thank you, Venki, for such a touching movie. Working with Surya, I have to tell you one thing about. So we had this fantastic outdoor. We all went to Ooty. And I was also there in Ooty for that outdoor. And I was with the unit. We all fun, like picnic and everything. My Bombay friends, all girls, 4, 5 of them, they bought their tickets. They came to Ooty. They stayed only because I was shooting with Surya. Not for me. मेरे लिए नहीं आया उन लोग. They only came so that they could hang out with Surya, sit on the set and watch Surya while I'm shooting. You remember all of them. So that is the kind of craze that I've seen, and I haven't seen the movie yet, but I want to see the movie since I just came recently. And again, I would say thank you to all of you. The unit has been beautiful. Ratika Garu, I was always in awe of her since I saw her in that Hindi movie that she had done. Sorry? Yeah, where she has that plait and all, Mera Pati, Mera Devta Hai. That was a very famous song of hers. And it was such a dream to work with her as well. Mamta, she's so cute. I wish her all the love. And where is Vamsi? Why are you hiding, man? A big round of applause for Vamsi, who made this happen, was a backbone to all of us without any hesitation through rain and through cloudy. And sir, I worked with you in Shul. It was such a pleasure to see you again. Thank you so much for this.